What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are doing well today. And check this news out that came out just a little bit ago. The ETF analyst raises spot Bitcoin ETF approval chances in the US to 65%. Now, I don't know where they get this number from, but maybe they'll explain it in this article. But hey, 65% sounds pretty good, right? Like, let's dig in here and we'll see where this comes from, if they explain that at all. I say the chances of approval of a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF in the United States have now increased to 65% from a mere 1% just a couple months ago. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balkanas and James Seifert said in recent statement that the chances of approval for a Bitcoin ETF have increased significantly over the past month, owing to various new developments around the crypto market and the refiling of the ETF applications by the likes of BlackRock. So, as you guys know, all the refilings just took place after they all got denied the first time. So that's what's going on with that. Now, continuing, Seifert noted that a lot will depend on the timing of the Grayscale case dates, and their recent boost in approval will depend on Grayscale's victory over the SEC in federal court. He added that Grayscale's win against the SEC could trigger a series of simultaneous approval for all spot Bitcoin ETF filings by the end of the fourth quarter later this year. And he actually said, he put a post on Twitter, and they share it in this article, or X, whatever it's called now, Twitter, X, whatever. He said the linchpin for this current thesis is a Grayscale victory over the SEC in federal court, which could set things up for a wave of SEC approval sometime in the fourth quarter. All depends on how much Gensler wants to fight here. And I will say this, if any of these or all of these Bitcoin ETFs get approved, you're going to see a massive, massive pump in the market. It will probably start a massive bull run, which will start with Bitcoin, and then you'll start seeing it through all the other altcoins, because that will trigger a bull. And, that's my opinion. But I think having ETFs open, you're going to have a lot of people who have never had access to Bitcoin, or didn't know how to buy Bitcoin, or didn't want to get involved in, going over to any of the exchanges like Binance or Coinbase or whatever. And like I said, maybe they just didn't know how to go buy Bitcoin or any other altcoins or anything like that. So they're going to have access to it now through ETFs. And that will start a wave. Like I said, I believe that will start a huge wave that will catapult the market into a major bull market, and you'll start seeing a lot of money come pouring into the market that you didn't see beforehand, and lots of new people coming in. Let me see if there's anything else interesting in this article. We might have gotten to the bulk of it. Yeah, so he just goes on to finish up, again, it's all pretty much the same thing, but the spot Bitcoin ETF race has garnered attention from some of the biggest traditional financial institutions and analysts, while Balkanas believes that the interest of institutional giants like BlackRock could be the best possible chance for approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF. And I happen to agree with that, because BlackRock is huge, and they've got a lot of people on their side that are in high, very elite places. So, again, potentially big news. I don't know where they get the 65% rate, chance from. I'm sure that must just be this guy's own personal assessment. But if the ETFs go through, watch what happens into the market. I think you're going to see some major, major pumps. So it just takes one. But if they all get approved, then you're going to see some just super major movement. Anyway, more good news for Bitcoin today, potentially more good news for the market. So as you guys know, I'm bullish on all this. So every time I see this good news, I just want to share it with you guys. Hope you guys are doing well today. Let me know your opinion. What do you think is going to happen here? Do you think that these ETFs will even get approved? And if you do you think we go into a bull market, or do you think it just kind of moves sideways a little bit or goes up a little bit? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And guys, as always, I will see you in the next video.